Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Chevy Impala headlights. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. Make sure you have the correct replacement headlight bulbs, whether they are halogen or LED, for your specific Impala model. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine completely to ensure your safety throughout the process. Next, open your Impala's hood and locate the two retaining pins positioned at the top of the headlight assembly. Take your flathead screwdriver and carefully pry up the center of each retaining pin. Once the centers are raised, you can completely remove both retaining pins. Be sure to set these small but important pieces aside in a safe spot so they don't get lost during the replacement. Now, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward from the vehicle to gain access to the bulb housing. With the assembly slightly out, twist the old bulb counterclockwise approximately 1/4 turn to unlock it from its socket. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Then, insert your new bulb, ensuring it's seated correctly, and twist it clockwise to secure it firmly in place. Finally, carefully push the headlight assembly back into its original position until it sits flush against the vehicle's body. Reinsert the two retaining pins you removed earlier, pushing the center down to lock them securely into place. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that the new bulbs are functioning correctly and providing proper illumination. You've successfully changed your Impala's headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.